How to fix microphone not working on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step you will have to do is make sure you have the latest version of Discord. To do so, head over to your Play Store and then search for Discord. And then if there is an update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. After that, what you will have to do is find your Discord application. Tap and hold the application and then tap on app permission or app info. Then go to permissions and make sure the permission for microphone is allowed. If not, simply give the permission. Next, go back to app info again and then go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.